Why is RBI framing guidelines for FLDG arrangements in digital lending? FLDG stands for First Loss Default Guarantee. It is a type of credit enhancement mechanism that protects lenders from the risk of default by borrowers. In digital lending, FLDG arrangements are often used by fintech platforms that partner with banks or NBFCs to offer loans to customers. The fintech platforms act as intermediaries and provide services such as customer acquisition, credit assessment, loan origination, and servicing. The banks or NBFCs provide the funds and bear the credit risk. The fintech platforms may also offer FLDG to the banks or NBFCs to cover a certain percentage of the losses in case of default by the borrowers. RBI is framing guidelines for FLDG arrangements in digital lending for several reasons. One reason is to ensure that the FLDG providers have adequate financial strength and risk management capabilities to honor their commitments. Another reason is to prevent any regulatory arbitrage or misuse of FLDG arrangements by the fintech platforms or the banks or NBFCs. A third reason is to promote transparency and disclosure of the FLDG terms and conditions to the borrowers and the lenders. A fourth reason is to safeguard the interests of the borrowers and protect them from unfair practices or harassment by the fintech platforms or the FLDG providers. By framing guidelines for FLDG arrangements in digital lending, RBI is aiming to maintain a balance between innovation and prudent risk management. RBI recognizes that digital lending can provide access to credit to underserved segments of the society and support financial inclusion. RBI also acknowledges that digital lending can leverage technology and data analytics to improve efficiency and customer experience. However, RBI also cautions that digital lending can pose challenges such as cybersecurity, data privacy, consumer protection, and regulatory compliance. Therefore, RBI wants to facilitate an orderly development of the digital lending ecosystem and enhance credit penetration in the economy